Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and guess what? Today I'm gonna be making this cool little box I made for this trailer that I've been working on. So stay tuned, check this out. Woo! Alright, check this out. I was working on my trailer. You guys all saw probably in my last video. Bringing you guys just up to date. If you guys don't know what's going on, check out my last video or whatever. But I made this trailer for my RC cars. Ooh, awesome, I think. But anyways, made this little RC trailer. I figured, okay, you can't just make a trailer and not make the little toolbox for it. But guess what? Made the little toolbox. Oh yes. You can put whatever you want in there, but I just whoa, watch the fire. Check that out. Little toolbox. And I try to make it as realistic looking as possible, but yeah, it's got those little hinges in there. But right now, it's a natural color. I didn't paint it white or anything, but I made that out of some styrene. It's polystyrene. I'm sure all you hobbyists know exactly what this is. If you guys make train sets and all that, you definitely know what this is. So I got this polystyrene from Hobby Lobby. Just any Hobby Lobby will have them. They'll have all kinds of different shapes and sizes, so you can go there and check that out. But man, this thing is so cool. I was digging it, man. You can put all your little accessories in there, and little sleeping bags, whatever, all little tools or whatever things that you may want to take to like a little RC track meet or whatever. You can just shove them in there if you got batteries or whatever, and even you can put the lights on here, because I am going to put the lights on here. I'll probably stick in a battery power individual box there, you know, all by itself, so you can turn it on and off. And so put that back on there. Yeah, I also made this little tiny barbecue. I love this little thing. I thought this thing was so cool, but believe it or not, I made this out of a fishing bobber. Okay, this used to be a fishing bobber. It used to be actually one like this, but small one, you know, smaller one. And yes, I can make this bigger one into a barbecue grill like that, but mine is a mini one, so I decided to make a mini one. So anyways, if you guys want to watch me make one of those, or if you guys want to see, you know, a video or something of me, go ahead and drop a comment or whatever, and I'll probably make a video making a little barbecue. But anyways, for now, check it out. I got my trailer all done. I am planning on putting lights in the back, lights on the sides and all that, making the ramps. I still haven't gotten to the ramps, but enough of that. I also let you guys know, this is the glue that I used. I used just this extreme thick power glue that I bought also at Hobby Lobby, and this Bob Smith Industries accelerator spray for the glue. So you glue, spray, you glue and you spray, but don't glue your fingers together, because that is not good. So don't glue your fingers together. I'm telling you right now, that's potent stuff, so be careful when you're working with that. Try to put something down on a desk, like some blue masking tape. I usually put that down before I glue something down, because hey, it will get glued down to whatever surface. You know, mostly, you know, most surfaces they'll get glued, but you will glue it down, so be careful how you use that stuff. And of course, ruler. I used a dial caliper and a little hobby saw that you can, you know, get at also Hobby Lobby or Michael's even, you know, I'm sure they sell stuff like that. And yeah, so let's get started. and I'll go ahead and roll this video. And no, you don't have to sit there and watch the whole video, this whole boring video of me sitting here cutting the thing. So I sped this thing up so you guys don't have to sit through all that. And go ahead and drop a like if you happen to like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. But guess what? Today we build this box. Here we go. Whoa. Oh man, and also guys, I almost forgot to say, guess what? You're also gonna need a sharp X-Acto knife. Make sure you have plenty of blades. Make sure you keep this sharp when you're cutting the styrene, and make sure you it'll keep your edges nice and clean. But anyways, let's get to it. Before we get to it, Lee out in Kansas, hey, check it out. But let's get started. Love you, brother. you.